A massive fire has raged the popular Balogun market on Lagos Island in Lagos, southwest Nigeria, with 8 buildings burnt and properties worth multi-million naira destroyed. Thick smokes and balls of fire bellowed the atmosphere as firefighters and emergency responders battled to salvage traders' wares. Already, 8 buildings have been razed by the rampaging inferno, with traders watching akimbo as their wares go up in flames. The fire started in a 4-story plaza at Martin Street beside Great Nigeria Limited, Leventis bus stop, Lagos Island. In one of the videos of the fire outbreak, some individuals could be seen salvaging the situation by throwing some goods down the buildings. This incident occurred 2 months ago in the market when goods worth millions of naira were destroyed in the fire outbreak, claiming 5 buildings and goods worth several millions of naira. The fire started early in the morning at the same time the fire outbreak witnessed in the market in November 2019 started. For now, there is no casualty report. Dr. Femi Oke Osonyitolu, the spokesperson of the Lagos State Emergency Management Agency, said on arrival at the scene of the incident that 4-story plaza gutted by fire was as a result of improper storage of fuel